like a hamster. Like a hamster. I love car washes. I hate car washes. I can't smell it. It has to be you gotta get there.
No! Help! Help! It stopped. Ah! No, it didn't. Help us!
We're dying!
I can't smell anything.
No!
Not a fruity car wash at all.
Should we give one to Allie?
Yeah. I don't smell it.
Ah,
I can.
I lost.
How do you look? You can?
Help us.
It's like lemons today.
Oh.
It's a lemony car wash! No!
No, I don't want to die. I'm too young.
How do you open these?
Pull straight out.
No! Ah!
Open. I can.
Okay.
Smells like
Bad
lemon
idea.
pledge.
That's a bad idea.
Yes, it does.
If we're gonna die, it might as well smell like
I
lemons.
can smell it. I kind of like the smell this time. The other one was better. Can we go through it again?
Come on, viewers, you can smell it.
I think we should go
Smells
another
fresh.
time and see if it smells like fruit. How'd you open this? How'd you open this, Trish?
I pulled.
You're supposed to pull. I told you.
Yeah, it's the evil cane. It's the evil cane. No.
I don't really want it.
We're being tried.
Okay.
This is the food part.
Ah.
Yeah.
The free stuff is the
It's raining.
It's like a foam sucker kind of.
It smells like peanut butter in here. Help!
Smells like M&M's and...
Ah!
It's a tornado!
No!
We're being pelted.
We don't deserve this.
What do we do?
On Christmas Eve.
It's Christmas Eve and we're dying.
No!
We're dying at Christmas Eve.
I like this smell.
Ah.
I think they got a better smell this time.
I don't think it's a better smell.
The other one is better.
Ah! No!
This is actually kind of scary.
No! Well, we're in a washing machine.
Ow. Oh. Ow.
Oh no, we're getting waxed. Ah!
What? Does it smell? It was a stronger smell last time.
It's because the peanut butter is overpowering the fruity car wash.
That's my plan.
Ah! I don't deserve a bath. No.
Are you still dreaming, Jared?
Even though he had a nap, he slept.
Is there more to come? We're rinsing now.
And he had spot free.
Spot free. It's a good thing no Dalmatians are in here. Ah!
Don't laugh at that. I get it though.
Be very, very quiet.
Now you guys are gonna have a nice clean car to drive on salty roads. I'm trying. You finish this?
Yeah.
I'll get it when we go home.
Here comes the...
Sorry, it's
Ah! No!
There it is, Jerry.
Not the exit!
Jerry.
Ah!
It's gonna freeze.
Oh Oh no. Not the big vacuums.
No.
Because the hamster's gonna like freeze. It's like it's gonna be frozen when we get out.
They're not on. It's not drying our car.
Our car's wetted and it cannot be dried. No!
Ow!
This is a sucky, fruity car wash.
Seriously.
I told you it was gonna be a crappy car wash.
We want our fruity money back.
You can stop recording it.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.